Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy a Facebook group. Acquiring an established Facebook group can significantly boost your online presence. It provides instant access to a pre-built, engaged audience, saving you months or even years of organic growth. This strategy allows you to quickly expand your brand's reach and integrate a valuable community asset into your digital portfolio. Think of it as a fast track to connecting with thousands of potential customers or followers. Finding the right group involves careful research. Start by searching Facebook for communities aligned with your niche. Once you find potential targets, delve into their insights. Look for consistent growth in members and high engagement rates like comments and reactions. Ensure the group has active moderation and minimal spam, as this indicates a healthy community. Groups with 25,000 or more members and strong engagement are often ideal. When you find a suitable group, contact the owner privately, ideally off Facebook, to discuss a potential sale. Group valuations can vary widely, from a few cents to over 50 cents per member, depending on engagement and niche. Once a price is agreed upon, use a secure escrow service, like escrow.com, to protect both parties during the transaction. This ensures payment is released only after administrative rights are successfully transferred to you. After acquiring the group, the real work begins. Integrate it smoothly into your overall marketing strategy. Continue to provide consistent, valuable content that resonates with the existing members to maintain high engagement. Monitor group insights closely to understand what works best and adapt your content strategy accordingly. Over time, you can explore various monetization opportunities, such as promoting relevant products or services, always keeping the community's value first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.